Welcome back to the channel, guys. Happy New Year. I wanted to start off the new year by doing it right and getting back on this YouTube platform. I just wanted to say thank you for all my current subscribers. It's been kind of crazy that still to this day, I haven't uploaded a video, I think, in over a year or maybe a year. But I'm still gaining subscribers. People are still supporting the channel. And it's kind of crazy. It's strange. It's strange that a lot of people still support my channel, still ask questions. I still get a lot of comments on my videos, which I appreciate. I appreciate every single one of you guys. So that being said, that's the only reason I'm going forward. And this year, I'm going to be trying to go in the opposite direction and uploading a bunch of videos. But the only reason I'm doing that is because of you guys. You guys have left me messages like if I'm okay, what I'm doing, what I've been up to, and I appreciate all the comments. I appreciate all the support. And if it wasn't for you guys, I would not be doing this anymore. But I honestly enjoy doing it. It is very time consuming, but yeah. So hopefully this year I could upload a bunch of videos and gain some more subscribers, gain some more support, and going forward to show you guys. I got a bunch of stuff going on. That never stops. I got a couple trucks I'm working on. I got a car I'm working on. I got all kinds of stuff. But I want to start off the new year. Well, I want to head you guys. I want to start by going to my boy Chris's house and give you guys a quick update. I know I've gotten a lot of comments about his truck. It's a 88 Chevy single cab short bed turbo truck, LS swapped. So we're going to go ahead and go over there. He's going to give you a build breakdown. We're going to break it down. And we're also going to go for a test drive. So let's quit wasting time. Let's get to it, guys. All right, what's up, guys? We're here back at Chris's house. It's been a long time since I made a video, but this is a quick overview of what's been completed. His truck's all done, pretty much. We're gonna give you the breakdown on it, on what's been done, what needs to be done, what the future plans are, give you guys a little test ride, and go from there. So give me the breakdown, man. It's been a long time.
I don't even know.
Say what's up to YouTube.
What's up, everybody? It's been like, how long? 3 years?
I don't know. It's been like 2 years.
Fuck.
2 years, a year, 3 years.
I don't even know where we left off, but fuck, we got the motor finally done and tuned. I ended up going to KP Performance right there in Riverside.
And what'd you end up? I don't know if you want to say.
So the numbers, we could say 500 crank, a little bit more than 500 crank.
You have to tell all of these lies.
Like 520 crank. Yeah, everything's done. I don't know what you guys have seen. It's been a minute, but.
All right, so give me the breakdown. What is this?
It's a 5.3. It's cammed. Pretty much all junkyard shit. Fucking truck intake, turbo, eBay turbo kit.
So what exactly? It's a junkyard 5.3.
Junkyard 5.3. 480.
480. What kind of turbo?
That's a GT45 from eBay.
GT45 from eBay.
GT45.
Wastegates, blow-off valves. What you got?
All eBay shit. This is a tile knockoff.
You got the tile knockoff, blow-off valve. What do you got for wastegate?
Wastegate, also China Man. I think it's like a 50 mil. Same shit. eBay.
eBay.
50 mil.
So you got some brake upgrades. I never showed this to anyone. So you got the Wheelwood master cylinder with what is that called? The
proportioning valve.
Proportioning valve for the rear, because you do have the rear disc for the
brakes.
48.8.
Mm-hmm.
What else have you done, man? Because it looks a lot different than the last time we seen it. I know this door is still busted, but
yeah,
let's look at this side real quick. This side looks complete.
Yeah, that's my latest project. Swapping out the doors to straight doors, not bondo doors.
Straight doors, not bondo doors. And of course, you got the 17s in the front, 15 by 10 in the rear.
15 by 10 in the rear, yup.
You got like the 454 front end.
Yup. It's an 88.
It's an 88, first year of the OBS. Let me see. Open it up.
Here comes Leo. Mr. Liam.
Who's that?
That's my mijo right there. Mr.
Hi.
Liam. Say hi, Papa.
Hi.
Yeah, but what else? We got the seats done. I finally put seats. Well, I don't know if you guys seen the other seats, but got some bucket seats in here.
You got some like, these look like
Brom. They're like the Brom seats, you know. They were just bucket seats. Also eBay.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
We're doing a video for YouTube.
Oh, I'm sorry.
say hi.
Say hi. Say hi.
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 Oh no.
And what else? I got the shifter on the floor. I don't know if you've seen that. We got a shifter on the floor.
What is it? The B&M, like the quick shifter,
B&M.
ratchet shifter.
Yeah, they've got all my shit, all the gauges here. Just turn it on. I got my little tablet screen, air fuel ratio, got the trans temperature, boost gauge.
Yeah, you got all the gauges,
All the gauges working and up in there.
and of course you painted the dash. You got some other gauges. You got the
headliner.
fuel, the oil pressure, headliner's done. You got a new carpet kit, right?
Yeah, new carpet kit with floor mats.
With floor mats.
I got door panels. I just gotta do those and put them in.
Yeah, finishing up the door panels. He's recently replacing some doors and door pins.
Yeah.
And then he also has something to upgrade it with
In the future.
in the future. So junk pile here.
Yeah.
Let's zoom in. You finally got a 6.0 that he's building. He got some, what are these?
LS3 style heads
LS3 style
Square
heads,
port.
square port.
to go with the square port intake, Trailblazer SS square port, or
And a newer intake,
newer
NMBS,
intake truck,
yeah.
newer truck intake,
You got that.
newer motor, little stronger, bigger motor.
All right, guys, I know it's dark, but this is the underside of it. The 8.8 worked out perfect. And you got the shock relocation kit. You got some QA1s on the back.
Yup.
Still running leaf spring.
Yup. Need to get some traction bars.
Yeah, I need to get some traction bars, but sitting pretty low. Straight pipe, everything clears on the 8.8.
Yeah.
Just want to show you guys real quick.
It's all about the rim offset.
And what are you running for tires?
295s, 55, 15.
Yeah, that's as much meat as you're gonna get
Yep.
under these trucks.
Stock tubs.
Yeah, stock tubs without anything being cut out.
And this is a stock length 8.8. Nothing's cut.
Yeah, nothing's cut. Stock
Straight drop in.
straight dropping. Nothing's cut. Nothing's shortened. And let these guys know, man, because when every time I do a video on your truck, everyone asks me, "Oh, what intercooler is this? What tire is this? What is this?" Or whatever it may be. Where can they follow you?
Chris Boost at Chris Boost on Instagram. That's all I really have.
And you don't have
Follow
much.
me on there.
You don't have much on there, but they could ask you any
Yeah,
questions,
they
right?
can ask me questions, whatever they want to know. I'm the OBS man right here.
So what
Race car
you
OBS man is.
so what you been up to since we last seen you? It's been a long
Fucking
time.
Chilling, fucking taking care of the fam, building this shit little by little. Whatever time I have.
You have any new cars? Any new projects?
Yeah.
Like what?
What do you mean?
Don't act dumb.
What
Don't
is
act
it?
dumb. Like this is the only car you got.
Oh, I got a Corvette. I don't know. Have they seen it?
Damn.
haven't seen
no,
that shit?
no. Let's look at your Corvette real quick.
Got a Corvette. I've been having that shit for 2 years already.
It's kind of dark.
Yeah, it's super cool.
We'll take a quick look at his Corvette. You got a flashlight?
Yes, they're dead. Let me see.
What year is this?
It's a 05
05 C what?
C6 Corvette.
C6 Corvette. It's pretty clean. Nice. What's done to it?
Supercharged, everything cam, built diff. Pretty much everything's done.
And what are the plans for this?
This one, hopefully, we'll see.
Let's give it away. Let's
I'm down.
let's
Give me
raffle
somewhere.
it.
I'm down.
Let's
Give
raffle
away.
it.
Gotta be whoever's willing to enter. You know, it's on the table.
I want 150,000.
My first raffle. It won't be for me, obviously, but definitely always on the channel. So yeah,
It's clean.
that's pretty cool, man.
Yes, sir.
Who's this? Where's he? Oh, you got the rubber?
Running finally? Nah, it's actually been tuned for like almost a year already.
You think that makes you badass?
Last year in May. Or was it March? I think maybe March.
Fucking around.
I just gotta let it warm up. Make sure it moves.
I like it. I like it. I like it.
Last little rip.
It was unexpected. I was like, what the fuck is that, bro? This used to be the fucking good door. Now this was like the shitty door.
Oh man. Yeah, it's in.
You can manual shift it, but I don't really like how it.
You like how it shifts?
Yeah, because I like it in auto better.
We're in the streets of Mexico right now.
Streets of Mexico right here. That's third. Second. That's one.
Oh shit.
I don't know, it feels better in auto, huh?
Yeah,
It feels like
it shifts a lot harder. Like a manual, but
maybe if I master the manual, but eh. Master the manual. I told you I got rid of all the check engine lights too, huh?
you got rid of all that stuff?
Yeah. Not like you can see it anyways, but it's clean.
So how you like your truck?
I love it. The little light up there. Yeah,
Finally done?
finally done. Just gotta paint this hole. A little bit interior work. Is there? I got a bigger motor for it at the house. When this one blows.
not crazy now.
Yeah, it's not crazy loud. Until you get on it, it feels like it's loud. I'm like, alright, let's go home. Let's see. You wanna drive it? You don't wanna drive it?
Hell no, I don't want to crash it. Another day. I don't want to drive. I don't like driving in the streets of Mexico. Right here, it's hot.
It's too much juice. Nah, drive it. You don't wanna drive it? Alright.
Another day.
It doesn't have trouble, but you know how they say the 85 is harder to start?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about it. But once you get it like started, like if I turn it on right now and I turn it on, it'll start something this thing. It's always when I let it sit for the week, when I try to start it, you just crank it and crank it, you just, you know.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. As you saw in the video, we did a build breakdown on Chris's turbo truck. We also went for the ride along. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Any questions that you guys might have on his truck, make sure you ask him. So I'll leave his Instagram here somewhere, and also link mine. His is Chris Boost, and mine is Lowlife Yonquez. So we're both always on each other's stuff. But make sure you guys follow him. Anything you guys need to know, he's more than happy to answer any of your questions. Just make sure you leave him a DM or comment, whatever it may be. But that being said, I also showed you guys a quick glimpse of his Corvette. So I want to know if you guys are interested in doing a giveaway. If anyone would be interested in joining the giveaway, I'll give you. I think that car, it needs a build breakdown on that car alone. It's very interesting, very fast car, very scary, really nice car. It's a 05 Chevy Corvette C6 and supercharged. So got a lot of power. It pushes a lot of power. Very scary. For a long time, that was his dream car. But all that being said, parts for that car are very expensive. Anything you do to it is very expensive. So he wants someone else to enjoy. He's had it for quite a while, and he wants someone else to enjoy it. So I want to know if you guys want that to be my first giveaway. I'm fully on board on helping him out, and I want that to be my first giveaway. If you guys are interested, make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and comment. I want the giveaway. I want the giveaway. That way, it gives me a good indication on how many people we could get in on this thing. So yeah, guys, hopefully this is the beginning of something great again. And I'll catch you guys very shortly on the next one.